Alright, it's Willie Johnny from Lone Finance 3, and I want to talk a little bit more about PPO because PPO, if you think about this, is a projected benefit obligation, and I want to talk a little bit more about PPO as a form of debt. So basically, you hire employees and you sort of borrow money, and you have to pay this money. So the projected benefit obligation, you can sort of treat this as a kind of a bond or debt. So basically, you owe money from your employees, and so you have to consider the cost of this debt. So if you think about this, we treat this as a interest cost, which means you issue a debt, and that debt need to pay interest to that debt in order to not default. And basically, you are sort of using employee as a kind of a way of finance. You use employees and employees to work for you. You can generate money by, produce something, and you have to pay the employees after they retire. So that's the reason why the projected benefit obligation, which means you have to pay a lot of money while after they retire. Okay, but in order to hold all these employees and sort of make them work for you, you have to take account of the interest cost. And interest cost will be the lump sum debt or bond and multiply the interest rate. Okay, so treat this as a bond and rate, we got interest cost every year. Here comes the very interesting part. Let me just test you. So for example, if the interest rate go up, the interest cost will go up or go down. There is an inconclusive, because if you calculate the PPO, basically, you got a lot of money that you're going to pay, and you're using R to discount back to now. So the PPO, which is all this future benefit discount back to a specific point, because it's the obligation, and it's the obligation that you sort of projected. Basically, it's actuarial measurements of what the company needs to cover the future pension liabilities, and you basically discount that back to now. Okay, and so if the interest will go up, the PPO will go down, because you discount it using a higher rate, you're definitely going to go down. But things is very inconclusive, because this will go down, this will go up. You don't know interest rate will go up or go down. But rule of thumb here, it's just a rule of thumb. Normally, the PPO will go down, like way down than the increase of R. So normally the interest rate would go down, but this is not the final answer here, because it's one go up, one go down. You don't know. Okay, and let's talk about another thing. What about the current service cost? If the interest rate go up, the current service cost means that for every more years the employee work for you, the future PPO will be higher, because the employee work for you, you use the credit method, maybe 1.75, something like that, and work for N, and so 2 years to 3 years, that kind of using the unit will go up, so the final payout will go up, and the PPO, if you discount that back to now, will go up as well. And so the interest should go down, because the interest rate discount all that back to now, it will go down. So the current service cost, if R go up, this should go down. If R go down, this should go up. Okay, So yeah, so that's another way to treat the PPO, to sort of treat this as a bond, as a debt, and you can use what you learned when you treat with debts to treat with the PPO. Okay, don't forget, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.